Travelers have questions about Mexican auto insurance, and there's much mythology that surrounds the question. Driving in Mexico is an experience. It is different, there are issues, but a road trip into the nation to our south can be the best way to enjoy the beautiful countryside. In this video, we will cover traveling in Mexico, some of the pitfalls to avoid there, and the question of being properly insured. Stay alert. Driving is different in Mexico. Never assume that just because there's a stop sign that the driver to your right or left is going to stop. The official rules of the road are more like suggestions in Mexico. Drivers are aggressive. You will be cut off from your exit if you hesitate. Essentially, you cannot put your driving skills on autopilot. You must be aware and alert at all times. Do not drive at night. There are special hazards here like potholes and debris and loose livestock. No matter what kind of premium auto coverage you have on your policy in the United States, the most in Mexico that it can cover is collision and auto damage to your own vehicle. Unless you are insured by a Mexican insurer, you will not be covered for liability or medical expense to the other party in an accident. And the collision and auto damage to your own vehicle will be difficult to get from your American insurance. Premium coverage in Mexico should include liability, damage to the other motorist's vehicle, medical expenses, and very important, uninsured motorist coverage. Another policy option is to include legal representation and bail coverage. This can keep you out of jail. A company with a strong infrastructure in Mexico will be able to send out an adjuster quickly, sometimes in less than an hour, and if they have to pay legal and bail fees, they will do as much as they can to get you on your way as soon as possible. Finding a good insurance agent on this side of the border that represents a Mexican licensed insurance agency is of the utmost importance. Mexican law can change, and depending on your needs, an experienced agent can custom make a policy that is right for you or your company. Contact Polson Insurance in McAllen, Texas for information about insurance policies if you plan on traveling through Mexico. Serving the Rio Grande Valley since 1961, with quality coverage in Mexico you can trust.